Do you want your skin to be absolutely smooth, even toned, graceful, and shine like a diamond? If so, this video is for you because I just came across that what kind of insane amount you are being charged at the salons for the body polishing. Today, I'm going to give you even better results using simple natural ingredients from your kitchen. And believe me, this is going to be your favorite ritual. Later on, once you complete it, you see the results, see the magic for yourself. You're going to come back to this video and tell all of us that you have seen the magic yourself. Please stay tuned, watch it completely, do it exactly the way I'm going to tell you, and obviously come back to share the results with every single person. So if you're ready, excited to do this ritual for yourself, let's check out my body polishing ritual. Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to the channel. If at all you're visiting the channel for the first time, let me introduce you to the basics of this platform. If you like some channel and you want to continue watching it for some time, you can subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and you can get the notification from that particular channel as and when they post some magic. You don't have to remember when Prerna is coming, when is she launching the next video, etc, etc. You'll be updated by the notification, so please make sure that you press the bell icon. In today's video also, I'm sharing something magical for all of you, something that can bring about the beautiful change in your skin. Many a times people do not exfoliate well. Many a times they do not have time to exfoliate or maybe go to the salons, etc. This is something that you can do while you are, taking a bath. It is a free day. It's your me time. You can do it for yourself and it's very simple. You just have to note down all the ingredients. Make sure it is at home. Prepare all the 4 things together and go to the washroom. Properly take a bath and you'll be amazed the kind of lightness, the kind of softness you're going to experience in your skin. Step number 1 is going to be using oats powder. You just have to have plain oats, grind it properly, change it into powder and keep it in a airtight container because we are going to do this again in the future. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of this powder. Add sufficient amount of milk so that it turns into a paste which is very comfortable for the skin and not very thick, not very thin. Use this paste to literally massage your skin. For the demonstration purpose, I'll be using my hands and my neck and my face, but please make sure while taking a bath, you put it all over your body. So put it properly in circular motion. Oats have the power to literally stick to the gunk, to the dead cells and bring it along while you're washing it with water or just wiping it off as well. So once you have entirely put the oats paste all over your body, you have washed it thoroughly, now you're going to wipe clean your body. Why am I saying wipe cleaning? Is that you do not waste water. It's very important to have a shiny skin and everything, but it is equally important for us not to waste the resources. So be very thoughtful, whichever way you are comfortable. Stand inside a tub and then do it so that the water is collected and you can reuse the water in some other way. Whatever way you can, just think about it of not wasting water. Step number 2 is going to be exfoliation, for which we are going to use extremely enriching ingredients. The first one being coffee powder. Please make sure that the coffee powder is extremely fine. Even if it's not, just don't worry because the other ingredients are going to compensate for the friction that it might cause. And that would be 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can add more also, absolutely fine. And the third would be a little bit of argan oil, being very smooth for the skin. It is literally amazing. The coffee powder will make sure that the entire dead skins are completely off. There are some very stubborn dead cells which do not move at all and sometimes they are just literally become part of your body. So once you exfoliate using coffee powder, it is completely gone. Olive oil, such a nourishment for your skin. It penetrates deeper down in the skin and makes sure that it is completely nourished and the friction, the dryness that we observe later on while we do natural remedies, that is compensated over here. The third, argan oil that we have used over here is something magic, being very soft for the skin. It literally gives you the nourishment, the hydration, the softness that we really look forward to in a skin. Once you are completely thoroughly done, exfoliating your skin, again, wipe clean your skin or maybe use a tub to just rinse everything off. Over here, I'm using a tub and that very water is being used to wash every single mask that I have put. And later on, that particular water can be, thrown in the plants or whatever it is. You can decide for yourself how are you doing it. I'm just giving you ideas. Step number 3 is going to be literally the smoothest paste that you can put on your skin, and it can give you visible results in the first application itself. For this, you'll be requiring approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooked rice. It could be freshly cooked, it could be something that is left over, absolutely fine. Into it goes 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Mix everything together. You can grind it properly to form a smooth paste. And this is what you're going to put all over your skin. Yes, it is going to be a little messier, a little not so comfortable texture. But believe me, this is something that is going to nourish your skin without actually causing any trouble, any kind of drama or any kind of problem in the skin. This is literally extremely comfortable for the skin. These are the ingredients that you're consuming. The internal body is very comfortable, and once you put it externally on your skin, you will see another magic, because this is going to hydrate the skin so well. It is going to give you that magical potion. We have been using so many ingredients, in which rice is one of the ingredient, and here we are using it directly. And yes, you will see the magic for sure. Once you have thoroughly applied it all over your skin, wash it properly, rinse it well, and then comes the last step, where we will be locking everything up using a mask. For the preparation of the mask, you'll be requiring 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Into it goes 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth or Kylan clay, whatever you have, you can put that. And you can use sandalwood powder. All the 3 things together, just 1 tablespoon each. That's a lot because we are using it for the body. Mix it using water or rose water, whatever you're comfortable, and put it all over your face where you have been doing this. If the entire body, make the entire body, put it across. Let it be for some time. We don't want it to dry completely, but yes, let it be on your skin for some time so that the skin absorbs it, the pores closes, and there is no gunk left in your skin. Once you are done putting the mask, you are comfortable that now you can wash it off. Now you can take a bath, because this was the last step. Once you take bath properly, every single thing which is like here and there in the hair and in the ear, whatever it is, you can just get rid of everything. And the freshness that you're going to observe in your skin for the very first time in a very long time, you'll be amazed and you'll be very happy. And I'm 100% sure that you're repeating this entire process. It might be messier, it might be something that was not very comfortable, but the kind of results that you will witness after this will push you towards using it all over again. So all the very best trying it out for yourself. Once you see the results, please come back to this video and enlighten and maybe tell all of us that it worked for you. We'll be more than happy to have you back over here with your results, with your experience. We are all ears. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take really good care of yourself and know for sure you are amazing.